What's up? I'm back. About to do a curry chicken. My pot is hot already, so I'm not gonna waste no small talking time. Get the olive oil in. This is a really easy recipe. I have already cut up all my garlic, 2 tablespoons of butter, 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Get my garlic and onions right in. This down on a lower flame. And my curry, I just like to throw a lot of different things in there, a lot of spices, like 2 different types of curry. I'll use red and yellow curry. And then I also like to use a whole chicken. And I use the legs. The bones add so much flavor too. I'm gonna start seasoning my chicken. So I'm gonna set the chicken right in. Really get some salt on there. And I like to get my curry in right away because I like to start to get it open. My red curry. And I add, like I said, red and yellow curry. Do not be afraid of seasoning, put a lot. Then I have my ginger root. Put a top on it. Oh yes, very nice. Getting the brown. I'm gonna toss some potatoes in here to start cooking with this. Gonna top that. And while we're doing that, I'm gonna prep my garlic rice. You know, I'll do some green onion actually in there too. Not too much oil. Got my rice that's been cooling. Just gonna put some turmeric in here for some color. See all this brown on the bottom? You wanna get all that up. It's all the flavor. And I have some unsweetened coconut milk. Just gonna get a few cans of that in. And then I have some tomato paste. Just get about 2 tablespoons in. And I love these. You could get them for like $1 at the grocery store. And they add the perfect heat level. Just drop some of these in. All right, I'm absolutely on the right flavor palette with this. I'm gonna turn this down on a low flame and let this simmer for about 30 minutes. I mean, look at this. Fried turmeric rice with some green onions in there. Oh, we fancy. You know what? I'm gonna throw on one of these little peppers too. A little dollop. All right.
Oh my God.
So Chris and I are about to try this. Quick and easy, stewed.
Yeah.
It's a winner. Chicken dinner.
It's been cold all day.
Yep.
And now this is A good way to end it.
That's right.
Yeah. Another one you need to try. Yeah.
Subscribe to us.
Give it a like.
That's right. Cheers.
Cheers.